Hi guys, I'm Yene. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna outline this girl. I saw a lot of work about it, so it's my first time to do a outline by using a picture at the end, because usually I make the picture invisible so I can see my drawing after, but this is different. I was doing the outline of the hair, so now I'm gonna work on the layer 1, the picture. I usually don't touch this part, so this is really different. I'm gonna erase all the background of the picture, as you can see. Okay, done. It's time to do another layer, so I'm gonna lock the layer 1 and open a new layer. Face, I'm gonna do an outline of the face. I'm changing the color right now. Oops, I'm gonna change the brush opacity and the size. I'm gonna open a new layer and rename it. I need to change the brush. I'm using inking right now, so I'm gonna switch to airbrushing. It's working like this. I'm gonna do the eyebrows. You don't really see, but I'm doing something. Believe me. I'm gonna show you later. Maybe you can see some tiny different change. It's me. I'm working. Change back the brush to inking. Time to trace the eyes, and after that I will trace the nose and the mouth. I always open a new layer for the details of the mouth. I'm gonna use a lot of the airbrushing to do the color on the picture, because there is already a color. I don't know if you understand me, but stay until the end, you will understand what I'm talking about. I'm gonna open a new layer to do the color of the face. I'm gonna use the brush painting, round brush. Press on the color I want and resize the brush and the opacity. You can't really see what I'm doing on the picture because I want my color to match the color of the picture. I want to be realistic. Yeah, so this is what I'm doing. I don't know if you notice that I sometimes trace on the white background because I can't really see what I'm doing. So I have to be sure that I'm doing something on the picture because it's my first time. I saw a lot of work like this. It looks really realistic, and I watch on YouTube. I say, what? I have to try it. I have to try it. So I'm gonna do the same thing for the body. I'm gonna press on the color I want and so on. If you like the video so far, please consider subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, and please put a thumbs up. I will work a bit on the top. I'm adding some white color here and also on the back. I forgot to erase over here. Now I'm gonna outline the body like this and the top. You can see here because of the time lapse, but I opened a new layer to do the earring and the necklace. As you can see here, I'm doing the color. I will also do the details of the nose on another layer. Now I'm gonna do the hair with the hair brushing. It's really fascinating. I don't have to do all the hair because I'm gonna use the actual picture, so that's kind of easy. I'm changing the brush size, so it's gonna be different now when I'm going to color like this. Okay guys, you can visit my website if you like Afro design. Look at that, wow. You can get access to all my design per month or per year at a really good price. It's not done yet. I'm tracing this picture like I usually do. And at the end, I always make the picture I'm tracing invisible so you can see my drawing. So here, I'm gonna use only the brush inking to trace and to do the color. As you can see here, this is my drawing. So I make the actual picture invisible. Now you can see it. Now I'm gonna use it to select the color I want for my drawing and do the face and the hair, but I have to draw all the hair because I'm gonna make the actual picture invisible. Sorry to repeat, but yeah, it's like that. I have to repeat it because it's not the same. So stay until the end to see the difference between my drawing without the actual picture. I hope you like this video so far. Please put a thumbs up, subscribe. It really helped me growing my channel, so I really appreciate it. In the picture, the baby hair are black, but I want to make them blue. That's my little touch. Leave me a comment if you like my video. Thanks for watching me. Bye bye.